to learn how to find out the area of a closed figure. So area is the surface covered by a closed figure. So area means the surface covered by a closed figure. So here the area is the surface covered by a closed figure. So here look at the picture. Here that square units are there. So we find out the perimeter. The outside you want to find out the boundary. The outside square units you can count. So to find out the area, you count the inside square units. Okay. So to find out the area of this first one, there is one farmer. Mixed farming is there. Cereals. This is well. Pulses, cattle, poultry, and oilseeds. So here to find out the area, you can count the squares only. Okay, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can multiply this side and this side. Then 5 into 4, 8 into 5, 8 5s are 40. So the area of this cereals, this is 80 square units. Next, find out the area of this oil seeds. So here when you're counting this one, so here count how to count it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you're counting, if you have the half portion, so you can add 2 half portions equal to 1. Okay, so when you're counting the square units, the 2 half portion is equal to 1. And if it is less than half portion, no need to count. And if it is the portions is more than half, so you can round up to 1. Understand? I will show some example. So here this is a rectangle. To what is to find out the area of this rectangle. So how will you find out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the area of this rectangle is 8 square units. This one square units. So we studied how to find out the perimeter. Perimeter we can count outside. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This way you want to count out the perimeter. So here area is the surface area of this closed figure. So inside you want to count. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is area is square, 8 square units. Next, one more picture. Find out the area of this triangle. So here, when you count in this area, here this and this is 1 units. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then here also 1 half. Here also 1 half. Here also 1 half. Here also 1 half. So you studied half plus half is 1. And here also half plus half is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 3, 4. So the area of this triangle is 4 square units. The area of this triangle is 4 square units. Understand? Here you find out the area of this picture. First you can find out the square units. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 square units. Then you can add half. So 2 half is equal to 1. So here 1 half and here also 1 half. Here also 1 half and here also 1 half. So 4 halves is equal to 2. Then you find out any more than half. Here any more than half is there. So this is more than half. So if it is more than half, you can add up to 1. So this is 1. We can add 1. And if it is less than half, 1 by 4, you no need to add. You can have 0. So here 1 by 4 is there here and here. So no need to add this one. So here the area of this picture is what? 8 square units. Understand? If you find out the square area of this square picture, if it is half portions, you can add 2 half portions is equal to 1. If it is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 means you can this 3 by 4, this is 3 by 4, more than half. So you can add up to 1. And if it is less than 1 by 4, can add up to 0. No need to add that square units. Okay. So here to measure the area by counting the number of squares, consider 2 half square equal to 1. That is 2 halves is equal to 1. And consider more than half square. that is also complete 1 square, that is more than square half, that is 1, and do not count less than half square. Okay, so we can do the textbook activity. Look at the map of India drawn in a square grid paper. So here first question, what is the approximate area covered by Maharashtra? So in this map you find out where is Maharashtra. You know where is Maharashtra? So here Maharashtra, so you find out where is Maharashtra. So here this is yellow color is Maharashtra, and this is Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Rajasthan. Also you find out other states. Here you can mark the other states also. Okay, so find out approximate area covered by Maharashtra. So here Maharashtra can count how many square units. How will you count? I told here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 is also 10. So the area is 10 square units. So I told if it is half, you can add 2 halves is equal to 1. And if it is 1 by 4 part, no need to count, and 3 by 4 equal to 1. So same we can find out Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan and Karnataka also. Next one, Shalini has a vegetable garden in her backyard. She grows vegetables like cabbage, green chilli, onion, brinjal in the garden. Here is the layout of her garden. So each side is 1 meter. So square is 1 meter. So you can find out the surface area of this area. Okay, so here garden, the cabbage can count the squares and find out how many meter, onion, brinjal and green chilli. Next, which vegetable covers maximum area of the garden? After complete, find out the answer. You can answer these questions. How much area does it cover? So which vegetable covers maximum area? First you find out the all areas. Then you find out the answers. Okay. Then find the area of each leaf. Consider each will be 1 centimeter. So here each square will be 1 centimeter. Area of A leaf A. So how will you count? Here this is half. You can take half and 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. No need to count. That we can count A and B. Next, Chambak wants to tile the floor of his room. Does he need to find the area or perimeter of the room? So to floor his room for tile. Wants to tile the floor of his room. If you show this is the floor of this room and you want to find out tile this floor. This is floor. So to tile this floor, what want to find out? It is perimeter or area. You find out the answer. Okay, we studied this is perimeter and this is inside is area and this is perimeter. So you find out to tile this floor, what want to find out, area or perimeter. Next question. A student needs to decorate the border of photo frame with a ribbon. Does he need to find out the perimeter or area of a photo frame? So a student decorate the border. Border means outside layer. Photo frame. So it is perimeter or area, find out. Next, a wall of a room has to be painted. Will you find the perimeter or area of the wall to estimate quantity of paint required? So a wall of the room was to be painted. Will you find out the perimeter or area of the wall? So if you want to paint out the wall of your room, it will find out perimeter or area. You find out the answer. Okay. Next, use only 5 squares to make as shapes as possible. 2 are made for you. So how many different shapes can you draw? Can use 5 squares only. Then you can draw different shapes. Here 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3. Can use any 5 squares and you can draw different shapes. How many different shapes can you draw? Then you can write how many shapes you draw right here. What will be the area of each shape? You can find out the area of each shape. Then will the shape have the same perimeter? You can find the perimeter is same or not. You can calculate. Color the shape with the minimum perimeter green. color the shape with the minimum perimeter green. So color the perimeter is minimum perimeter. Can outside you can color with the green. Okay. Draw. Next question. Draw at least different shades with a perimeter of 16 units on a square grid sheet. Find the area of each shape. Are all the areas are same? So you take one square grid paper. It is this type of paper. This type of paper you take. Then draw at least 4 different shapes with a perimeter of 16 units. You can draw 16 units perimeter. Perimeter means you can find out, outside. So 16 units on a square grid sheet. It is perimeter 16 units. Find out the area of, then you can find out the area of each shape. Then it is, are all the areas are same or not? You find out the answers. Okay. So we studied the length. Study this also. Okay. The length of the boundary of a closed figure is perimeter. Study by got this one. The length of the boundary of a closed figure is its perimeter. And area is the surface covered by the closed figure. This you want to find out. Study by heart. Okay. The length of the boundary of the closed figure is perimeter, and the area is the surface covered by the closed figure. Next up, ask what is perimeter and what is area. Understand?